Are you dreaming of a tropical vacation? I'm Jordan with Pike Nurseries, and I'm going to show you how to create a lush jungle oasis at home with tropical plants. First up, hibiscus. This is the most popular tropical flower. Its stunning summer blooms come in almost every color under the sun. Hardy varieties of hibiscus, as well as its cousin, the Rose of Sharon, will survive our winters in this region and come back every year. Bougainvillea is another tropical beauty that is covered in bright flowers all summer. It thrives in hot, sunny areas and has low water needs, but beware its thorns and keep in mind that it is an annual in our region. Mandevilla features trumpet-shaped flowers in white, pink, or red. It's an easy care trailing plant that looks great climbing a trellis or staked in a pot. Its cousin Dipladenia has the same blooms but a bushier growth habit. Both are annual. Caladiums, they're shade-loving tropical annuals grown for their foliage with lots of interesting patterns and colors. Daylilies have gorgeous flowers and are low maintenance, easy plants that thrive in the sun and heat. They are perennial, meaning they come back every year. Canna lilies are another perennial that give a tropical vibe to the garden. They have bold, colorful flowers and can grow up to 6 feet tall. You can find green leaf and red leaf varieties. Many of the houseplants we love are also tropical. In late spring and summer, these plants can be enjoyed outside on a covered patio or a balcony where they get bright, indirect light. When the temperature drops again late in the fall, be sure to move them inside. These plants include ferns, colocasia and alocasia, which are also known as elephant ears, orchids, bromeliads, palm trees, and bird of paradise. To keep your tropical plants thriving, fertilize them every 2 months during their growing season, April to August. We recommend Dr. Earth Exotic Blend Organic Fertilizer, which is formulated for hibiscus and other tropicals. Lastly, don't forget the decorative accessories for a finishing touch. Add a water feature like a fountain or a bird bath. Create a relaxation station with patio furniture and an umbrella. Add solar-powered lights to extend your time outside as the sun sets. And be sure to get citronella products to keep the bugs at bay. And now you're ready to create your own at-home tropical oasis. Our certified plant experts in our stores can help with any gardening questions. And for more garden tips, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.